Update video. Oh, wanna get the flag. So, I still have no money for my hand injury. This is all I've got. This one's seized up. This one can move. Like, I can touch my pad, but I can't get it in. Like this one. Like, excavator boom it. I don't know where to quit. This one, no. This one, that's to there. This one, no, it's to there. I can fold my fingers from these knuckles and make a little pocket so I can hold stuff. And I gotta put my thumb over these and close my hand. But yeah. He says it's not even $100,000 case, and it's like, well, it's permanent disabling damage, which indicates I'm going to need to go on disability because people aren't going to want to hire somebody that could sustain an injury so easily from having to use their right hand. I'm right-handed. If I hurt myself constantly working throughout my life, this is my hand. I'm keeping my hand. I'm not going to detriment myself to destroy it because I have to keep working. Like, that was completely unfair what I was put through. He said he has workers' comp. I'm getting screwed on it now. Didn't have workers' comp. I had my OSHA 10. Doing everything that he said. His verbal contract, he said if you do everything that I say. And that's what I did. Until after the injury, he fired me. And when I came back from the hospital, there was lug nuts smashed off my car. He tried to go to the front desk and ask him what my insurance was to put it on my insurance too at Lancaster Hospital, New Hampshire. I waited for him to leave and I was in an ambulance and I went to Dartmouth for surgery. And that's how deep it went through the whole knuckle. See the straight path where it goes down through and then across my finger. That was as deep as the saw, and they opened it up here and there and folded my skin down in a big blanket, and then they opened up my palm and they had to fish down into my arm for my tendons, and some of them aren't connected. I got really, really bad bruising on a couple muscle lines, and they're getting stronger, and all the tendons, they're caught in that scar track, which it's gonna take some time to move them. Like, I'm not gonna go through burning my fingers out to try and make a move to appease nobody. I shouldn't have to do that while working. That sounds like torture. Not doing that. I'm gonna heal in my own time, and when I'm not disabled, I'll work again. That's how it goes anyway. But I'm a right-handed person, and that's 50% of what I do. You know,